did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it.
Hey everyone, so we're at my cousin Jan's. She has a bunch of horses and animals, so we thought we'd bring Piper out here because she's still scared of animals. She's doing really good with the horses. We can't break this dog thing, so maybe today would be it.
Look at what dirty cheese on that side. Aww. She rolled. I was like, oh yeah, you're showing off your best side there, horse.
It's okay, sometimes Betsy's the horse's ass too.
Oh, thank you.
Is Sky a boy?
Sky's a girl. The only boy is JJ. Poor guy.
Boy.
Poor guy. Yeah, I know. I love her mane. I haven't had her that long, and
They're just making noises.
they know he's gonna put some food in that feeder for him.
That's how they talk. Yeah, see?
Piper, do any of them look like the horses in your game?
Can horses run?
Yes, they
Oh,
can.
yeah.
Oh, yeah, real fast. Yeah.
I told Danny, he goes, you want to put them out front for a while? And I said, well, they're going to be here pretty soon. We don't want to block the driveway because we run tape across it. So
Oh,
they
okay.
can just run across there.
And they might
They put on quite a show.
Yeah.
Yeehaw. They hadn't been out there for a while. Let them out the other day, and they just tore back and forth and around and around. It was like, oh my goodness.
What do you think, Piper? You do good with the horses.
Yep, just dogs. What do you think of cats?
Has she ever been around a cat?
Yeah, she has. She's been up close to pet it and that, but hers depends on how they do it.
know if there's a dog named Sky.
Oh, in your cartoon there is, yeah.
Well, we got a horse named Sky. That old age is setting in already, Piper.
The horse is like scratchy.
Yes.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
they love scratching.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Dan sticks his finger in his ear and scratches it for him, and he's like, oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, they do that.
How do horses kiss?
Oh,
They don't. They feel you with their lips.
Yeah. They don't kiss like us. They feel
you just
like
got to
their
keep
lips,
your
see?
fingers out of their mouth because they do have teeth in there.
Ew.
Yeah.
They do it just like us. We have, yeah, they have teeth in there.
They
You've
have
seen
as
them.
many teeth as we do.
Yeah.
Wow.
You've seen them get clean, worked on when you watch your Dr. Pol.
Mhm.
Scrape them down.
You watch Dr. Pol, do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we even we took her over to his practice.
But Dr.
Got a
Pol
picture of the sign. No, but his wife was.
Yeah, but he pulled it in the wrong way. And
Yeah,
Daddy
I
pulled
did.
it
I went
the
in the
wrong
wrong way, and she gave me a weird look while I was
Right.
going the wrong way in a one-way road.
You've seen them work on lots of horses on that show.
Because we weren't really gonna stop. We were just gonna go by and just get a video of it. We drove by, but there was really no one there. Like, okay, we'll go in and get a picture of the sign, and then we found out afterward that like when they're slow like that, you can go in and they already have pretty like autographed photos you can
Aw.
get, and she would have been tickled pink. I don't know why we just don't go again. It's not like it's that far from the campground. Because we're only what 25 miles I think from them, give or take.
Hey,
And she's got moving slow around them. She doesn't.
Yeah, see how soft they are? What have we seen, Piper? We've seen, you wouldn't ride one. We went to a
would.
petting one.
they were calmer.
We tried to put you. There was a pony, and it was only going
We
in
have the
circles
lady
at the
there
fair.
holding the horse
I would ride
and
one of those little pony ones.
Yes,
Oh,
and you
yeah?
would go on it.
Yes, I would.
We had a petting zoo at this Easter hunt, and there was a lady that would let you sit on the horse, and she would walk with the horse.
Well, she was willing to until we got to the
Yeah.
horse. Then she's like, "Yeah, no."
Her cousin,
Yeah, no, I thought about that. It's like, yeah, I could put a set. Nah, she wouldn't get on it.
no,
No.
her cousin did it, but Piper wouldn't. But I was like, it's not like how the grown-ups
are
ride it. It's a
those
little easier for you,
Brown
Piper.
things.
But they're cute.
Are they-
Yeah,
And her
Those
hooves
are her
there?
hooves.
yeah, those are the
Yep,
hooves.
those are
What,
their
you mean
feet.
the rings on her hooves?
I think she meant just the hooves. I don't
Oh.
know.
Where's the black?
Yeah, you ever heard of horseshoes, Piper?
Because I think maybe they're
Other than the game?
They don't have
You've seen
horseshoes.
them
No?
work on their feet before.
The rings on her feet are from because she's been a broodmare. And when they change pasture and have foals and stuff, it sets a ring in their foot.
Oh.
Don't
When
eat
they go from
Yeah, he's like give kisses.
when they go from like coming here now where she gets really good nutrition, they'll get it all get smooth.
Oh, nice.
But
They want treats.
the rings on their
That's
feet are a
upsetting.
symptom of some kind of stress.
Yeah, the older I get,
Okay.
the harder it is. What he says about JJ.
Yeah, you've been
He's
adorable your whole
adorable.
life, haven't you, you big lord?
When he was born, we went out. I mean, he wasn't even standing up yet. Dan
Maybe
helped him
strange
stand up,
Yeah.
and he went right to Dan.
Yeah, I must have gotten hurt. That happened.
And he's like, we got to go, man, because he needs to go get milk from his mother, and he's following us around. And no, baby, go to mommy. I like people. I really like people.
You old hag.
Look at them go, Piper. See how fast they go? Now, do you keep them out all night, or do you put them away at night?
They've got, as long as they get under cover, I don't care. And
Oh,
some
okay.
won't even do that. They won't go in.
Yeah.
Oh,
Would you leave my strings alone?
Kind of in their own way.
Yeah.
Not as much as the donkeys, huh?
They're just eating it up, boy. Little girl.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. We don't have to.
Did you just feed them? Wow. Oh, you got pretty colored, huh? Yeah.
Yep, here she is.
Hey,
Oh, I'm taking it. Don't be afraid, as long as you got your hand back. Though.
Yep.
You don't need.
now let me pet you.
Just hold it right up here like this. As long as you don't get your hand in her mouth. She won't bite you. On purpose.
You had.
They want more.
I need to feed you.
Just stick it right through the gate. Your hand's far enough back. Just stick it right in there. Just hold it right up there. Stick it right in there. There you go.
Did they push you away, huh?
Hold it right up there so they can reach it. There you go.
Yeah, it's kind of a family thing, I think.
Put to the
Oh,
right
there they go,
side.
Piper.
There they go. See, they're going to go to the other fence. Look at them. Here, see, go. Yes, if you train them to, yes, they know how to jump. That's what they do when you show them. You know, when you do those jumps and stuff with horses, you go to the horse shows and that.
See, that dog's more interested in working with the horses. The dog's not gonna hurt you.
Yeah,
It's
I
like
wasn't
he's
scared about that dog. I heard those two little dogs and I thought they were.
the little dogs. All they want to do is lick ya.
Oh,
And the horse thought that was funny.
still one back there.
I wasn't scared of that big black dog.
Oh, okay.
Those little ones.
No, there they go running.
Out.
Look at them run, Piper. You want to walk with me over there so we can see them run?
Hey, see there now? They're in there.
Yeah, they're gonna run all around now.
Are they in the fence now?
Yeah, they're in there. Look at him. Look at him. He's even bucking. Do you see that? Wow.
Kelly's like,
Who the heck is that?
what's that little person?
They probably don't see much children, do they?
I don't know.
No.
This is the one we were petting earlier.
And that's his sister right there next to him.
Aww. And then the other
She's a
one's
year
over behind
younger.
there. But the other ones you haven't pet, so maybe this one will let you. Some of them don't like to be pet sometimes. Sometimes they're a little shy too.
Mm-hmm.
She's only a year
Well,
old.
Wow.
just a baby.
You're a good size for
I'm
a
sure the
year.
camera's probably something different for him too.
Well, no, that other horse, when Piper went over,
Oh,
really
look, he's
went.
gonna roll
You-
Piper.
Oh, look at that's what they do. Look
Yeah.
at, I didn't know that.
It's a back
That's how they
scratcher.
scratch your back. Can you believe that big animal can do that?
Billy, you got test the fence all the time.
Now walk, Piper. Just walk up to him.
Yeah, don't run.
Some of them might not want to be.
And he's eating grass while he's laying down.
Ah.
Must be the life.
Oh, roll some more. Oh,
Oh my God, that's so funny. I've never seen a horse do that. Ah.
get out here where it's nice and clean. They love it.
Yep. That's how they get all dusty too, Piper, because they roll on the ground.
You know, just like your video game, you have to you brush them and get them clean. They like to be clean.
What is Sky's sister's name?
What are theirs names?
That's the light colored one is Elsa. And the darker brown one is Chantilly Moon. We call her Tilly.
Ah,
Aw.
like that.
If
See-
I had one of those black horses, I'll name it like Dark Shadow because it's
Dark
in the
Shadow? What did you name your black horse in your game?
Oh, I like how it has white on the foot.
Yeah.
Because you have a Frosty the Snowman. You had Cinnamon, but you killed that one.
Yes, and it's round.
You did in the Mississippi River.
Oh, Piper, how could you do that?
And then I got her.
There was a crack.
Oh no, not a crack.
We got her. She'll go to the stables and then she'll pick out the most expensive horses.
Yeah, like Rocky.
Mhm.
Rocky has spots.
Yeah, Rocky does that spot.
Why are they all
I'm like, why not get a
'Cause
Tennessee
because
Walker?
all
They're
the
only
good grass is
$2
over
in the
there, I
game.
guess,
You know.
All the good grass is over there.
That's
Good
what
old-
that black
Look at all
one is
this
a
area they
Tennessee
have.
Walker.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever ride them?
Yep. We ride the black one and we ride the white and brown one. The others are too young yet.
Why
they
do
have to be a
do
certain
this?
You know, Daddy took horse lessons, but then
Did you really?
So you showing off?
I only rode when I went
She,
to class down
she was one of my grandma's friends, and she ended up getting hurt.
Oh.
And by the time she recovered, summer was over. 'Cause they maybe
This is
Usually
like
how I
I
get
don't
them
know
to
what
10.
that is. This one was born on the range in North Dakota,
Oh,
and
love to go out to North Dakota. Love to go anywhere.
she's
Anyway.
got some spots on her because she is part Appaloosa.
Okay, you have a couple Appaloosas, Piper.
Do I?
Yeah, your white one I think was
Oh.
in your game.
And I had like this little foal I was riding. It was like a little horse.
Yeah, well, you also stole the mule from another farm, but
Yeah, and then I
different
just
story.
appeared
That
like,
sounds like a fun game.
it's a Western thing. It was made by the same people as Grand Theft Auto,
but then
but it's a little bit cleaner, and the stories are really good.
appeared at night. It wasn't. Hi, hi. Who pet you?
I don't know.
Hi.
Billy, come here.
There you go. Yep.
She's like, I don't know. Dan's gonna
How'd you
come in
get
there.
under there?
Holy cow, Nix. She's a wild woman. And she scraped up her forehead. That's like she came by the name Nix, okay. I just see it as she's always getting Nix all over her. Aren't ya? You can hit your head on anything and everything. That. Yeah, it's looking okay. Look how sweaty you got.
Yeah. Have a good run.
I did.
Yeah.
What you got? What you got for me to eat? Yeah, she's a super friendly and she's smart. real smart on what she picks up on.